Okay. Yeah. Check it, motherfucker, I'm the best when I spit it. Let's stone the kid, yeah, get up in it. Smoking on that good shit, wish you was doing it. Yeah, I got a whole lot of girls, I'm pursuing it. Get up in that pussy, make her love me for the night. And if she real good, make her love me for life. Yeah, I'm never thinking twice when I get a wifey. I put that tongue on her and then she like me. Motherfuckers be talking out they fucking mouth till I put these fucking fists and knock them out. They don't know what the fuck they be talking about. They just keep running at the fucking mouth. But it's okay, motherfucking, you can talk that shit. Cause I'm a gangster, motherfucker, never talk that lip. When you step in front of me, I keep it real legit. I put your ass in the motherfucking carpet, bitch.
Hey, yo, I can't rap though. Y'all don't know how to rap, but word. Got my leather jacket on looking like MJ. I see you bitches talking shit. I'ma smack you quick. If I beat you, yeah, I'm about to cut. My boy. Okay. Yo, hold on. You gotta get back. Yo, you bitches wanna talk shit, I'ma smack you. Hey, you niggas wanna get with me, I'ma dap you up. Cause you niggas real fucking corny. I see these bitches on the corner looking for some daughty.
What? So fucking dirty. Whoa! That's what they looking for. Wait. What the fuck is some dog?
No, wait, I gotta take it. Turn it off.
Alright, man.
Brittany. Oh, I already know how to hair.
That was a rough draft. Man, that's freestyling. When you freestyle, man, shit just bound to happen. We gone.
No, I'm gonna do another one. That shit was